Asian side. In Asian side, it is near Üsküdar district. In Üsküdar, most of the people, to see the beautiful view of the city, they would go to Çamlıca here. And as an alternative, if you come to Nakkaştepe, here it's called Nakkaştepe, you get actually better view. In Nakkaştepe, there are lots of things you can do too. There are beautiful view of Bosphorus bridge, the first bridge, and the second bridge. If you go this direction, it is Black Sea, 31 kilometers, Bosphorus. We are in Asian side, other side is the European side. Here we can see a military school. And this way is Mediterranean. Just right on the other side of the bridge, you see Gayrettepe Financial Center, all the business center. And now we are going to walk and do some maybe zip line, go down with the kids. And there are restaurants, cafeterias, and beautiful place with a beautiful view of the city. The first bridge on the Bosphorus has got beautiful lights at night. It goes different colors. When we look at on that side, in European side, we see the Turan Palace. At the moment, it is Kempinski Hotel with the lights, with the green top. It used to be a place where one of the Sultan Abdul Aziz died. If you go a little bit on the right side, we see the Ortaköy district. It's so beautiful. Many people go at night or at the weekends for bars, restaurants, shops. And here, if you go a little bit further, there are lots of nice restaurants, bars. And on the Asian side where we are, on the right side, there is a Beylerbeyi Palace. Actually, if you visit Beylerbeyi Palace, it is much beautiful than Dolmabahçe Palace. As an alternative, I like it more. You can visit the Beylerbeyi Palace and then you can just drive up here. It's very close. Especially if you are traveling with the kids. You know, the kids has got enough visiting museums, listening lots of histories. Right after the Beylerbeyi Palace, you can just drive up here. It's so beautiful with the kids. There is a zip line here. The kids have lots of fun. This is, we see three bridges from this point. Look, the first bridge and the second bridge. And the Bosphorus with the lights. And behind the second one, we can see the third bridge. Uzay.
Uzay gel hadi sana söz ver.
And also there is a little cafeteria to buy. Let's see what they have got. Cold drinks.